In this Farm to Table series, I'm going to start from a zucchini plant to picking a nice fresh zucchini and make a great delicious zucchini chip. So let's go! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about low carb, delicious and nutritious food, travel, and health for our keto-friendly lifestyle. Please like and subscribe and I'll bring you new videos every week. Zucchini is a super easy to grow plant in your vegetable garden. It grows quite quickly, going from seed to fruit in about 2 months, and it requires not that much care. Here I started with a 4-inch plant, so I expect fruit in about a month. It has been a month and you can see how large the plant has grown. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, check out the zucchini plant. I recently put up netting to prevent the squirrels from coming in. As you can see, here is a zucchini that just started to form when a squirrel bit off the top flower. This is a perfect time to show you how to self-pollinate a zucchini plant. So we have 2 flowers here. You see this one and this one. This one's actually called a male flower. You can see the stamen on the inside here. Here's a female flower. And how do you tell which is which? Well, the easiest way is to look at the stem. See the stem here? It's a thin stem for this flower. See if I can better view that. Right? It's a thin stem. First for the female flower. If you look at the stem, it's thicker. It almost looks like a baby zucchini stem. Right? So by comparison, the one next to it, this will become a male flower. And then here's the female flower stem. So what you want to do, what bees will do is come in to the male flower, get some of that pollen on them, and then when they go to the female flower, they deposit that pollen right there. So we can do that artificially with this, a Q-tip. So we could scrape off some of that pollen. See that on the tip of the Q-tip? And just deposit it all around the female parts. And there you go. Over time, we'll see if that develops into a zucchini. It's about a week after the pollination. You'll see that the flower here is pretty much shriveled up. And here we have the zucchini. So that's when you know you have an effective pollination, and it took. And now all there is to do is to wait for that baby to grow. These things grow fast. Let's take a look here. Wow, now it's like well past 6 inches. Almost 7, about 6.5 inches. This is ready to go. You see there's another one coming in as well. See, here's another one, which was only a couple inches last time, 3 inches maybe. We're about 5 inches there, so that one can go a little longer. We're gonna take this big boy out. So all you do is look for where it connects. The stalk. A pair of scissors or shears. Just cut it up. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that. That's a pretty looking zucchini. You can see a little bit of spotting. So it's firm to the touch, it's not mushy. If it's mushy, then it's overripe and probably rotting. This is nice and firm. There's a little bit of spotting. You can tell that's nice and ripe. The flower on the end is completely shriveled up. So here you go, zucchini. Wow, look at that guy. I went away for a week and look how big it became. All right, so we'll get this guy, harvest this one. Wow, look at that one. Oddly shaped, but nonetheless, it's a good one. There you have it, a couple of zucchinis ready to eat. We'll take the thicker one to make some chips. So all you need to do is cut off the ends and slice into about 1/8 of an inch thick chips. And that's all the prep. They're ready to cook. So all I do is fry these on medium heat with some olive oil. And we'll place our zucchini chips in a single layer. Flip them after a few minutes when one side is somewhat brown. You can now season however you like. I use some freshly ground pepper, some salt, and that's the basics of what you might need. But for some additional flavor, I like to add paprika as well. And a little bit of cayenne for that kick. And finally, some chili powder for a bit of barbecue flavor. And we're done. Let's see how these taste. Let's give it a try, shall we? You know, this would make a really great snack or a side dish. It's got plenty of flavor. The zucchini's got a bit of crunch, although don't expect this to be a chip without battering and deep frying. But it's a perfect addition to any meal. So there you have it. Farm to table, or should I say garden to table, fresh zucchini chips. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.